all have an expiration date. And we don't know how much time we have left on this earth, but we need to use that time to make a difference. We want to make a difference in your life. You embody your creativity. You embody your knowledge base. You embody your goals. And once you get with someone who now puts those things together, now you can build a solid plan. I want to help you build a strategic plan to help you build generational wealth, break the chains of generational poverty so that you have the time to leave to your loved ones, that they have memories that they can now hold on to, and that legacy has been created. So what I want you to do is build, grow, sustain, and enjoy your legacy one day at a time.